So here I was preparing to travel to Canary Wharf. So I decided to top up my Oyster card. Yep, so here I was topping up for my Oyster card. I topped up 10 pounds because I was going to use a train and I didn't want to run out of credit on the Oyster card. Yeah, so here now the entrance, tapped my Oyster card to be allowed in to the boarding area of the train. So here the train came, I boarded the Elizabeth line to Canary Wharf. We are headed to Canary Wharf. We are headed to Canary Wharf, the posh area of London. Abagaga we babera. Canary Wharf is like Muyenga is like Kororo if you happen to be in Kampala. If you happen to be in Uganda, Canary Wharf is like Kororo. Yeah. So here we are about to reach our destination, Canary Wharf train station. Yeah. 102. So we have reached. Hey. La da dun da dun da dun da dun. Today we are going to explore Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf, the posh area. Ekifo ky'abagagga. Hey. Yeah, so we got out of our train and again you have to tap. Yes, you have to tap as you get out of the train. You have to tap the Oyster card as you exit the train station. It's underground, so you have to move up. The train station is underground. So here we are moving up. So this is how it looks like outside Canary Wharf train station. It's a cold evening, but guess what? Nothing could stop us from seeing and knowing how it looks like at night, the environment, how it is like Canary Wharf. Yeah, the most buildings here are offices, banks. It's an executive and posh area. Abakolamu. Yeah, so if you happen to have a friend, if you happen to know someone who works or stays around Canary Wharf, just know oya inamu kasente, just know ainamu kutoke. This environment, this is how it looks like, Canary Wharf. Ekifo ky'abagagga. Yeah, this is how the environment looks like, very posh. Yeah, you this kind of person who want to come and chill in London in a quiet environment, this is a place. It's always quiet. It's not as busy as other parts of London or other parts of UK. Yeah, because most buildings here are either offices or apartments. So it's a posh area because quite expensive here to rent an apartment. Yeah, this is how it looks like, Canary Wharf. Yep. Oli eyo oyagala kulambula ekifo ky'abagagga, abagagga babeerawa, jangu okiringire eno. You chill around this place. Posh area, everything is posh. Hey. Wow. Okitegedde ekintu ekyo. Yeah, everything looks wow. You look at this. Canary Wharf, the posh area. Yeah, you see this beautiful. Hey. If you have someone who stays around this place, around Canary Wharf, just know yakolamu. Eno bampale nyola miguwa tutawana okupangisayo. You have to have ngesente ozewulira, like your pockets must be so heavy to come and stay around this place, to rent an apartment. You rent everything here, as you can see. Yep. So bobo omuntu mukwano gwomanyi abeere eno Canary Wharf, manya oyo yakolamu. If you have a friend, you have that person who works around this place or stays around this place, he or she should give you some Christmas, because automatically aba ina kutoke. Automatically it means the person has some pounds. You see, that's a train over there. Train zita waguru. You see how the train, where it is passing. That's how people can plan for their towns, plan for their cities. Trains up, So this is it, Canary Wharf, the posh area. Yeah, it's well known for its tall buildings, and this is how it looks like at night. It's a beautiful evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're taking random walks to see how it looks like around this area. Yeah, most buildings are either offices, banks, and apartments. Yeah, and residential areas. Few bars, and it has some bars, some supermarkets like Tesco. Tesco is somewhere up there in the front. So this is how it looks like at night, taking random walks around this area. Okitegedde ekintu ekyo. Very cold and calm evening. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, okay. On standby 24/7. Yeah, here the police responds to emergencies in the brink of an eye. You just call the emergency lines for police, for your ambulance, and in the brink of an eye they are there to rescue you. Yep, so this is how it looks like, Canary Wharf. Yes, very posh area, executive, calm. If you this kind of person that wants always quiet environment, you this kind of person that admires quiet environment, quiet places, this is a place. Come get yourself. That's a Tesco. Tesco is group of companies, group of supermarkets scattered all over the UK. Yeah. So that's it. See you next time. Bye bye.